Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Lexus LX versus LC300. We'll explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which one best suits your lifestyle. While both are formidable SUVs, they excel in different areas. The Lexus LX focuses on opulent comfort and cutting-edge technology, providing a refined driving experience. Conversely, the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 emphasizes legendary off-road prowess and unwavering reliability. Built for adventure, let's dive into the specifics of each impressive vehicle. The Lexus LX truly embodies luxury, offering an exceptionally comfortable and sophisticated cabin. You'll find premium leather, exquisite wood trim, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large 12.3-inch display. Under the hood, a potent 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine typically produces 409 horsepower, ensuring effortless acceleration. Its adaptive suspension provides a remarkably smooth and quiet ride, making every journey feel first-class, whether in the city or on the highway. The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is renowned for its legendary off-road capability and unwavering reliability. It features a robust body-on-frame chassis designed to withstand the toughest terrains. Powering the LC300 is often a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, perfect for conquering any trail. Its advanced four-wheel drive system and multiple terrain modes ensure confidence when venturing far off the beaten path, making it a true adventure vehicle. So, which one is better for you? If your priority is a supremely luxurious, comfortable, and technologically advanced SUV for daily driving and refined travel, the Lexus LX is an excellent choice. However, if you seek a highly capable, durable, and reliable vehicle built to tackle the most challenging off-road conditions, the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 stands out. Both are exceptional, but your lifestyle and driving needs will ultimately guide your decision between these two formidable machines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.